Meaning and definitions of guidance. Guidance is a general term which means helping people to make wise choices and solve their educational, vocational, and personal problems. It is a process by which the individuals are assisted in making adequate adjustments to life situations. It is an organized service which aims at helping the individuals understand themselves, which means enabling them to know their abilities, aptitudes, interests, perceptions, needs, purposes, their assets, and limitations. It is a service which also aims at providing the individuals relevant and necessary information about himself and also about the world around him. Arming the individuals with these two sets of information, guidance process aims at developing maturity and desired level of integration which are required for bringing about a harmony between their inner and outer world. Thus, guidance is a process by which individuals are helped to make adequate adjustments in difficult situations of life. A comprehensive definition of guidance given by Ruth Strang 1966 runs as follows. Guidance is a process of helping every individual through his own efforts to discover and develop his potentialities for his personal fulfillment and social usefulness. So, guidance is not meant only for problematic individuals such as the slow learners, delinquents, mentally retarded, etc. Rather, guidance is necessary for all individuals. In the words of Jones, guidance involves personal help given by someone. It is designed to assist a person in deciding where he wants to go, what he wants to do, or how he can best accomplish his purposes. It assists him in solving problems that arise in his life. It does not solve problems for the individual but helps him to solve them. The focus of guidance is the individual, not the problem. Its purpose is to promote the growth of the individual in self direction.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share and subscribe.